In this video, I will show you how to use TD points on Expedia. So just head over to expedia.com and then you should be able to select your stay, flights, scores, packages, and things to do. Now take note that your TD points is tied to your bank, which means that you have a card that you can use. So you can just enter the card details when booking. So for example, right here, let's head over and then use in here the Cancun. And then let's find a hotel to book. Now in here, let's just choose in here a property. Let's choose this one right here, and then it will load to that. Now when trying to book this place, what you can do is you can head over and then use your TD points. So you can choose your TD points and all the total number of points that you have right here. Just enter your credentials, and then after that, just use your TD points on the checkout page. So that's how you use TD points on Expedia. Hope we help.